In this tutorial, we're looking at the forecast assumptions that relate to inventory. When you come into the inventory assumptions, the software tells you the value of inventory at the most recent actual month and converts that using an algorithm to number of days based on material purchases for the current month going backwards in multiples of 30 days and part of 30 days. In this instance, 61 days represents all of the current month of material purchases, previous month, and 1/30th of the month prior to that. Underneath those calculations are your forecast assumptions going forward, which will default to the current level when you first come into the software, then will hold your assumptions going forward. And you can then increase the amount of inventory you expect to hold, decrease the amount of inventory you expect to hold, or leave it as is. The other thing that you can do is to enter a manual inventory number. Once you are finished with your assumptions, accept and save, and you're done.